Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hena Talati. Heavy rain has been lashing in the Pacific coast areas of the Japan, and weather agencies have predicted that there could be much more to come. Agencies have also warned of possible landslides, rising rivers and flooding in low-lying areas. In 72-hour period, 780 millimeters of rainfall was recorded in Hakone, Kanagawa Prefecture, and over 550 millimeters lashed in Gateman and Shizuoka Prefecture. Rainfall of 122 millimeters was recorded in 3 hours in Kyoto. Atami saw rainfall of 313 millimeters in just 44 hours, which is above the monthly average of 242 millimeters in July as per the agencies. The meteorological agency has urged maximum caution, and public are requested to be vigilant over mudslides, flooding and rising water levels in the rivers. In 72-hour period, 780 millimeters of rainfall was recorded in Hakone, Kanagawa Prefecture, and over 550 millimeters lashed in Gateman and Shizuoka Prefecture. Rainfall of 122 millimeters was recorded in the 3 hours in Kyoto. Atami saw rainfall of 313 millimeters in just 48 hours, which is above the monthly average of 248 millimeters in July as per the agencies. The meteorological agency has urged maximum caution, and public are requested to be vigilant over mudslides, flooding and rising water levels in the rivers. Meanwhile, the torrential rain has triggered a large mudslide in southeast of Tokyo, leaving 19 people missing and destroying at least 10 houses as per the local authorities. A torrent of mud knocked down on some buildings and buried others in Atami. Officials said that 200 homes in the area had been left without power. This heavy disaster came as a torrential rain brought downpours to the Tokyo metropolitan area and Tokai region in central Japan. Due to the torrential rain, a section between Kanagawa and neighboring Shizuoka Prefecture of the Tomei Expressway and the part of Shin-Tomei Expressway in Shizuoka Prefecture were closed to the traffic. Bullet train operations were suspended for the short time in the sections between Tokyo and Shin-Osaka stations. The authorities have issued a landslide warnings for the parts of Shizuoka, Kanagawa, Chiba and Yamanashi prefectures. Some rivers in Shizuoka, Kanagawa and Chiba have already exceeded the flood danger level. Furthermore, rising rivers in some prefecture has prompted the city government to order local residents to ensure their safety immediately. Government has issued a highest level of evacuation alert in this region. Evacuation orders were also issued in the cities of Yokohama and Chiba. A seasonal rain front is bringing heavy downpours in Japan. Information of heavy rain and landslides has been issued for the Tokyo too. The agency says a band of rain clouds has developed over Tokyo. The weather department has issued an alert level of 4 or above on the scale of 1 to 5. Heavy rain is forecast for the Pacific coast of southwestern, central and eastern Japan through the Friday, with hourly precipitation of more than 50 millimeters. This can be accompanied by thunder and lightning. The agency has warned for landslides, flooding in low-lying areas, swollen rivers, lightning strikes and tornadoes. Through Saturday morning, the officials forecast more than 200 millimeters of rain in various regions of Japan. Japan is exposed to a series of natural hazards like earthquakes and volcanic activity, with the subsequent risk of tsunamis, as well as hydrometeorological events like typhoons occur frequently in September and October. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.